Hi, I'm Joseph, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Jet.Build DocuSign integration to create DocuSign envelopes and send out contracts and change orders for signature. Now, the first thing we're going to need to do is go to the Settings tab and link the DocuSign account. Because I'm already logged in to DocuSign in my other tab, it automatically connected, and I didn't need to log in anything. Now, the next thing we're going to do is go to a project. Now within the project, in the project applications, we're going to go to integrations and DocuSign. As we see here, it's connected and it's empty. We don't have any templates here. So the next thing we're going to do is go to DocuSign, and here I've already created a template. Now let's see how it works. So I go to edit this template, and as we see here, we have some pre-filled tabs or fields and that I've already pre-filled. And the way we're going to do it is use the pre-fill tools to set document-wide uh, fields and variables. And I can go ahead and add another field here. And this is going to be important because this is how we're going to link the field to the value in Jet.Build. So let's call this uh, change order amount. And we can save and close. Now, before we go ahead and create the template in Jet, let's go get the template ID from DocuSign. And now we could go back to Jet and let's add a DocuSign template and call it change order template. And we'll paste the DocuSign ID, and it's a change order. So now we've created the template in Jet and linked it to the template in DocuSign. The next thing we're going to need to do is add a field. So let's call this uh, change order amount, and it's the variable that we signed in DocuSign, and this is going to be linked to the amount. Now it's great out here because this is an automatically populated field via Jet. I'm going to pause this and take a minute to fill in all the fields here. Okay, now I've gone ahead and added the fields and linked them to the tabs in DocuSign. The next thing we're going to do is let's go to a change order because we created a change order template. Oh, another thing, once you've added a template and created all the links to DocuSign, you could always move that template from project to project, so the work is not repetitive. Um, let's go to a budget and a change order. And as we see here, we have a change order, additional fill and excavation, and we have this new icon. If we go ahead and click the icon, we're going to get now the option to uh, select a template. And as we see here, it's already predefined the workflow and the signers based on the workflow of the change order. And now we could go ahead and generate the DocuSign envelope. And what this does, it'll open a new tab within DocuSign. And it gives you the email subject with the change order title. And it'll also give you the recipients and everyone. Now, if you look here, it will fill in all the information of the change order, and you're ready to start sending it out to all the recipients. So right now, I'm going to save and close this, and it takes you back to Jet.Build, and when you're ready, you could always go back to DocuSign to send out the envelope, or we can go now from within Jet. This icon has changed because we created the envelope, and we click that icon, and now it takes you directly to the envelope page within DocuSign. And when you're ready to send it out, you can then go ahead and send it out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this insightful.